guys, how are you feeling today? I know I have been kind of reflecting on everything that happened last year, and I know that sometimes you feel behind in life. But then I thought about it logically. I mean, it's impossible to be behind when you're creating your own path, when you're forging your own path, when you're on your own path. You can't be a minute ahead or a minute late. Truth be told, you're right on time. Like, think about the trees. They all grow differently at their own rate in different environments. If every tree grew at the exact same time and looked identical, the world we'd be living in would be very dull and boring. Don't you think? There is beauty in diversity. I think some of the most interesting people are the ones that follow their own timeline. Truth be told, they don't care what anybody else thinks, what other people feel, the opinions of others. They just forge their own path, breaking traditions, figuring out life slowly, achieving goals later in life than the norm. And that's okay. That's perfectly fine. It's really no one else's business what you choose to do with your life. We all end up dying in the end anyway. A bit morbid, but it's the truth. You have no one to live life for but yourself. So do what's best for you and take time with it. I know time is no one's friend and you can't get back the moments once they're gone, but give yourself some sort of consideration, give yourself some sort of grace, because you know you got this far. You guys are doing great. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you have a splendid day and a splendid weekend and a splendid rest of the year. Let's just move it out to just the rest of the year. The pandemic just ruined quite a lot of things for a lot of people, but we press on and we're bigger than that, we're stronger than that, we're better than that. We are manifesting great things for our lives. God's mercy is going to be showered on us, and all the greatness and blessings and good stuff that He has for us is going to be expressed or shown or revealed. In the name of Jesus, I manifest this. In the name of the universe, if you guys don't believe in, Christianity, but that's okay. I want good stuff for us. So with that being said, have a lovely day, guys. Right. So I'm at Maxi once again, going to just get the boxes that I wanted, because to actually get it and ship it down would be basically more or less the same price. So let me just get it from Maxi. So I just picked up 3 bottles, as you guys could see in the bag. It's gold plated. I love how it looked. It's just cute. And the only drawback is that it has this Merry Christmas thing that nobody wants, but hopefully I can just cover it with something and let it look cute the same way. I'm gonna go get gas now because I am on 2 bars, and I know Sam is gonna be like, why do you wait till it's almost running out of gas to get gas? Tomorrow is gonna be a really long day, so I might not be able to get gas at that time, so I'm just gonna get gas now and call it a day. And besides, I'm really near the place that I normally get gas, so yeah, exit the decision, get gas now.